Welcome back to the world of Hoof Talk. If you haven't done so already, please follow me. I try to put out at least one video a week. I'm a hoof trimmer out of Wisconsin. We only trim dairy cows. I don't actually live on a farm, I just work on farms. Today I'm going to be showing you what a white line lesion looks like and how to properly treat it. If you notice at the beginning of the video, I picked away at the heel on her right claw, and I could see that there's some separation in her horn. That tells me that the problem is on her medial claw there. If you listen close on how I trim the left claw and the right claw has a hollow noise to it, so I know that the problem is going to extend all the way down to at least the middle of her claw. I noticed a slight spot on the other claw right here. That doesn't really worry me. When I was trimming it, the horn was pretty solid yet, so I don't think there's any need for further investigation on that spot. The white line lesion stemmed from this spot here. Even though it's hollow all the way to the heel, this is where it originally blew out, and all that hollow horn is what grew around it. Cutting away at this isn't hurting her at all. It's just like a fingernail. It's not bothering her, and it'll grow back 1/4 of an inch every month. It's important to dig away all this loose horn so that it doesn't grow back over the lesion before it's healed. I know a lot of you find the hoof picking satisfying, especially the flick noise that it makes when I cut away at it, so I'll be quiet for a little bit and have you enjoy this. The horn gets a lot softer the further in that you pick, and the yellowish horn is almost down to the tissue. That will dry out and grow back and harden up too. Now that I've almost finished picking away at it, it's time to start the block. I use a tool called the rasp, and what this does is it roughs up this claw so that the glue will stick to the horn better and allow that block not to fall off before that lesion has time to heal. If she had a problem like this on both claws, we would simply wrap it up and then advise the farmer to put her on a soft bed pack, giving her horn time to grow without standing on hard ground. A lot of you who have seen my earlier videos noticed that I used black magic glue, and that's essentially the same stuff as this, but this stuff sets up a little bit faster. This glue was on back order for a long time, so we had used the black magic glue. I put a flexible rubber block on there, and what this does is it acts as a crutch so that she takes most of her weight off that lesion. There's no need to clean the whole foot off, just around the infected area. Once I wrap it, no dirt or debris will be getting in there anyways. These animals live in a barn, so the second she walks out of this chute, her foot's going to be getting slightly dirty anyways. I do keep applying antibacterial solution to keep it clean, and now I'm wrapping it with iodine, gauze, and some cotton for some cushion, and this wrap will stay on 1 to 2 days until the farmer takes it off. There is salicylic acid mixed in the iodine, which is aspirin, so that'll help with some pain relief. Once it gets warmer, I will do a video of washing the foot off first, just for your satisfaction. Now it's time to let her out and see how she walks. That block will stay on there till it wears down or falls off, and you can check one of my other videos of removing a block. The cow yard is a little messy right now. The snow is slightly melting, so it looks bad. You can see here that the block is already doing its job. She's putting all her weight on that and not even touching her lesion. Also notice the tail wagging. She seems happy.